that will travel where no man has dared to go. Into the black hole. Why, that's crazy.
If you fall in, you would never come out, stretching you from head to toe. Death by black hole.
There are monsters out in the cosmos that can swallow entire stars.
Inside these equations, there's a monster.
Anything that strays too close will be pulled in.
Black holes, they consume everything in their path. Formed after the explosion of a supernova, they are infinitely dense. Their gravity is so strong that if one were to come close to the sun, it would tear the sun apart, and not even light would be able to escape, although the term was not created until 1967 by Princeton physicist John Reedy. The idea of an object in space so massive and dense that light could not escape it has been around for centuries. Even Albert Einstein first predicted black holes in 1916 with his general theory of relativity. The idea of black holes have linked with the public's view of wormholes or rifts in time and space. However, there is no evidence of this at this time. When a high-mass star reaches its final days, as a red giant, it begins its dying process, known as a supernova. Although all low-mass stars end up as white dwarfs, high-mass stars, when they explode, gravity collapses on itself, creating an infinitely dense hole in an area only a few miles wide. Even the light from such a star is unable to escape its immense gravitational pull. Planets, light, and other matter must pass close to a black hole in order to be pulled into its grasp. When they reach a point of no return, they are said to have entered the event horizon, a point from which any escape is impossible, because it requires moving faster than the speed of light. Despite popular belief, black holes do not suck, as things cannot suck inside of a vacuum. Items, however, they just fall into it. It is believed if one was to fall into a black hole, gravity would stretch them out to the thickness of a strand of spaghetti. Supermassive black holes can form when two black holes merge into each other, creating a hole up to 1 billion times more massive than the Sun. Scientists can directly observe black holes with telescopes that detect X-rays, light, or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. However, we can infer the presence of black holes and study them by detecting their effect on other matter nearby. If a normal star passes close to a black hole, in this case, a black hole can tear the star apart as it pulls it toward itself, elusive to us in the history of time. Black holes occupy the universe around us, currently destroying a star or dominant in the middle of the galaxy. Maybe one day we will fall into a black hole. However, we will not be able to see it happening because light does not travel in a black hole, and that's physically impossible.
That can destroy space itself, completely invisible. Anything that strays too close will be pulled in.
In the last century, black holes have gone from being mathematical curiosities to real objects in the cosmos, seemingly crucial to the formation of galaxies.
Nothing can escape it, even light.
There must be millions and millions of black holes. Zipping around our galaxy, nothing there to light them up. Millions and millions of black holes. Zipping around our galaxy, nothing there to light them up.